Okay, I just stumbled upon this wild innovation called PersonaPlex. It's a speech-to-speech model that lets you control voice and role in conversations.
Wait, what? So it can change its persona while talking. That's like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Exactly, it uses text-based prompts and audio conditioning to create these natural conversations. It's kind of mind-blowing to me.
Right? The idea that it can have a consistent persona is fascinating. How does it even work?
Well, it's built on this Moshi architecture, which is pretty advanced, but I wonder how they even train it to sound so natural.
Great question. They combine synthetic and real conversations during training. But doesn't that mean it could still have limitations?
Yeah, I see your point. I mean, if it's trained on certain types of conversations, it might struggle with others outside its training.
That's true, but they claim it can generalize well to unexpected prompts, which is impressive. Have you seen those astronaut scenarios?
Oh, the one where the astronaut is fixing a reactor core on a spaceship to Mars? That's wild. It adds such a layer of depth.
Exactly. It's like a storytelling tool almost. But can it really adapt to completely unexpected contexts?
It sounds promising, but I wonder if the model's responses can sometimes feel stilted or forced in those scenarios.
Right? The evidence might not be entirely straightforward. There's always a risk with emerging tech like this.
Totally, and then there's the whole licensing issue. If someone wants to use it for research, they have to cite their paper.
And what if the usage guidelines aren't clear? That's a concern for researchers trying to navigate this complex landscape.
Speaking of guidelines, they have a range of roles like customer service. It's almost like it can play a character.
Yeah, I found the examples pretty amusing too. Who wouldn't want a friendly drone rental assistant named Thomas?
Haha, right, but that makes me think, how far can we push this model? Can it handle emotional conversations?
That's a big question. Emotional nuance is difficult for AI. I mean, if it doesn't understand context, it could misfire.
Exactly, I'm curious how it handles complex topics like family dynamics or career changes.
Those are tough, and I wonder if it can provide genuine empathy or just mimic it.
True, the ability to sound human is one thing, but actually connecting with people is a whole other level.
For sure, and I think the technology is still evolving. We might be oversimplifying its capabilities.
Definitely, it's a work in progress and the potential is exciting, but we should be cautious.
Right? So, what do you think is the most exciting application for PersonaPlex?
I think the casual conversation role could be groundbreaking. It opens the door for more engaging interactions.
Absolutely. But again, will it really make those conversations feel authentic?
That's the million-dollar question. Authenticity in AI is such a tricky balance.
And don't forget about the ethical implications. If it can manipulate conversation, where do we draw the line?
Great point. It raises so many ethical questions about AI's role in society and personal interactions.
True, I think as we explore these technologies, we have to keep asking ourselves those tough questions.
Yeah, and the community around it will play a huge role in shaping its future, right?
Exactly. Collaboration and feedback are essential for responsible development.
So if we pull everything together, we see the promise, but also the challenges ahead.
Definitely. It's a fascinating journey we're on, and I can't wait to see where it leads.
Same here, but we should keep questioning and pushing for transparency and development.
Absolutely. It's all about finding that balance between innovation and ethical considerations.
And it leaves us with so many questions to ponder, like what does the future of conversation look like?
Yes, and how can tech like PersonaPlex enhance our understanding of human connection?
So many possibilities, I guess we'll just have to keep exploring these ideas together.
For sure, it's an exciting time to be curious and engaged with technology.
Definitely here's to many more discoveries.
Cheers to that. Let's keep the conversation going.